guys, Bart from TST Industries here. I have a 22 plus GROM video for you. We have a coming soon product package that I wanted to tell you about. As you know, we've already released a massive products for this little beast behind me. This is our American version 22 plus GROM. Some other places in the world call them 21 plus GROM. Same bike really. We already released our axle sliders, tail light, fender eliminator, signals, electronics, all sorts of stuff. The one thing we haven't released just yet is our protection package for the side of the vehicle. The reason why I called it a protection package and not just frame slider is because it really is sort of like a mini sub cage here for the front of the bike. Some other companies chose to solve this issue by hooking up a frame slider to the engine case, and some others have it hooked up to the cylinder. That's just not really going to protect the bike very well. These components are not really meant to protect the fairings very much. Fairings are cheap, right? If you crash, fairings are really like a secondary thing you worry about. You want to make sure nothing enters your motor and you don't crack your motor cases, and then protect your controls as much as possible, and possibly exhaust. Depending on where you have your exhaust mounted, it's still probably going to land on a portion of it. But if you do have these frame sliders crash protection package sticking out far enough, the brunt of the hit will actually be taken up by these components, and less of it will spread to other more vital components. We do sell other consumable crash protection parts like these bar ends. They do have a Delrin end, so if you do go down, that will be the first point of contact up here on the bars. And being that this is Delrin, it'll consume itself in the crash and possibly not propagate some of the forces up the line. Same thing with our axle sliders. They do have an outer outboard component that is made of Delrin, and we've done the same thing here on the frame sliders. Now, some of these components are designed by Wometech. Some of them are designed by us here at TST Industries. The entire package is put together and designed to fit together by us here at TST Industries. So this is really a team effort between TST and Wometech. If you know anything about their parts, they've been providing crash protection components and controls like these levers all over the world for many, many years. They have really good stuff, and we are really the only North American distributor of these parts. So it's very natural for us to partner with them to make this kind of stuff. Let me quickly touch on some of the aspects of what you see here. This is pretty much just a prototype. We have a flat bracket here. We just wanted to zip out these components on the mill really quick just for testing purposes. The final units will look like this with our nice iconography in a pocket here. These are aluminum components, CNC machined. We do put in this really nice hammered look texture with a ball end mill on the perimeter of these parts. Both sides will look very similar to this. On this particular bike, we're going to go away from using laser to engrave, and we're going to do a little bit more muted design with just mill engraved TST Industries on there. All the hardware is stainless steel. These pucks, like I said, are made of Delrin. All the bolts are 8.8 class steel. All the main bolts are 8.8 class steel for these connections. The rest is stainless steel. We do have a crossbar that connects one side to the other. We don't want to propagate too many forces into the motor, so we do pick up a frame mount here, frame and motor mount, and then several of these screws mount into the engine case just for positioning. And then we have the crossbar made out of aluminum that goes between the two sides, and this really creates like a cage around the frame and the motor, so that if you do go down, there is a very, very small chance of getting into the motor and damaging the motor in the frame. All crashes are different. I've crashed bikes at different speeds and usually come out unscathed, and the bike really benefits from having these components on. It limits the amount of damage, but I've seen other guys crash really hard, bike goes flipping, you know, all bets are off if your bike goes flipping. So use your judgment in choosing the components. We do have other videos that talk about the ins and outs of why you should choose one component over another. So check out our website, check out our YouTube channel. We do have more information about that. Now, it is early September 2021. These components, these sets should be out shortly. I don't really have an update on when they're going to be available, but you can navigate to the product page for these parts via the link provided in the description of this video. And once you're there, you'll see they're out of stock for now. And you can just drop your email in a box that will then get our system to send you an email when these things come in stock. And once they're available, you'll get that email and you'll be able to purchase these parts. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are enthused like I am about these parts. Hopefully you'll stop by tstindustries.com and check out what else we have for these little bikes. For now, I'm gonna sign off. Thank you for watching. Ride safe.